Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo Y16 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can do screen mirroring in Vivo Y16 with any Android TV. Here I am using Mi 4A Pro TV. Let's get into the video. First of all, go to the settings in your phone. Go to settings. Then here go to network and internet, then click on hotspot and tethering and turn on Wi-Fi hotspot. Click on Wi-Fi hotspot and turn on this. It will ask you to set data limit. Here I have set it to unlimited and just I cancel it here. And in security you can select a password of your choice. For a easy demo, for showing demo, I here set no password, but actually you should set a password, otherwise people nearby you will be able to connect to your hotspot. Okay, so it is better to put a security, that is password. In hotspot name, just you can change name. Here it is showing that Vivo Y16. Okay, I keep it like it and just I click on OK. And yes, hotspot is created. First step is to create hotspot in your phone. Okay, then you have to go to your TV. Go to your TV and select settings there. Go to TV and go to settings there and go to additional settings. Then go to internet and network. And here turn on Wi-Fi and you will receive the list of signals that can be scanned nearby to your TV. Okay, so here just I select Vivo Y16. This is the signal that I created in my phone, that is hotspot signal. Just click on it and it will be connected. If you go put your password, it will be asking the password and you have to enter the password in your TV, then only it will be connected. Now connection is successful. Now come to your phone. Come to your phone and go to Google Play Store and search with the term Google Home and install this Google Home app. I have already installed it and just I open it. After installing, just open the Google Home app. Second step is you have to install Google Home app in your phone. Okay, then click on Get Started. Just follow the on-screen instructions. Click on OK. Yes. Now this is the signal Android TV. It's showing that Android TV. Okay. Just click on that signal. Okay. And it will ask you to cast my screen or add to a room. Just click on cast my screen option, second option, and then click on cast screen. Now click on start now here. Now your phone screen will be directly mirrored to TV. See here. My phone screen is exactly in my TV. If you want to adjust the volume, just you have to use this. Okay, this is full volume. This is low volume. So you have to use this round circle to increase or decrease the volume. That is, if you play any song, that can be controlled here itself, and how much volume you need, that can be played in the TV too. Okay, yes, screen is there. See there. Okay. So whatever I open in my phone, that can be seen in TV too. So in this way, you can easily do screen mirroring in Vivo Y16 with any Android TV. Okay, some Android TV will not support direct screencast. So in that case, you can use the simple method. What you have to do is just first create hotspot, then connect to that hotspot to a TV. That is connect your TV to that hotspot. Then install Google Home app. Then follow the on-screen instruction and click on the signal from TV and just do screen mirroring. Okay, in between If it is asked for you to connect to Wi-Fi, don't connect, just cancel it. Just cancel it and go to the home screen. Cancel all tabs like this. Okay, cancel all tabs, and then again open the Google Home app. Then again it will not ask you to connect to Wi-Fi. In some cases it will happen. Okay, so just don't connect, because if you connect to Wi-Fi, personal hotspot will be turned off. Personal hotspot will be turned off. So don't connect to the Wi-Fi. Just go to the home screen and again open the Google Home app, and it will work. Signal will be receiving from the TV. Just click on the signal and follow the on-screen instruction. That's all, friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.